Ka Seng Congress kan sepelong ya ka Bharat Juro Yatra. Ka General Secretary ka Balong Ru ka Nong Aiktian Rangba ka Assam Pradesh Congress Committee ka Bobita Sharma hene kasngi kala pentip pala ple ba ya ka yatra ban pinya teli ya ki nong song hakari persya ya lai teli ki jing e pher ha ka yokakot ka jing sngo ya pher ha ka emlang sa lang bat ka jingja jongko hok bayade bat ka riti sensyari. Kayatra kat sedang hakah nyu tarik unailur na Kanyakumari bat kanya Shadu Jammu bat Kashmir hadian bakila daban yat ya khatwai teli ki Jaka.
7 September from Kanyakumari and it goes to Jammu Kashmir and it covers 12 states and 2 union territories. The 12 states are Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. It will be the Yatris will be covering 3,500 kilometers and it will take 150 days to cover.